Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the trending Apple dance to the song Apple by Charli XCX. This is not my choreography. I will tag the creator here in the video description. This dance is short and sweet and fun. It is great for a beginner dancer, someone with absolutely no experience, or someone with experience who just wants to move and have fun. We're going to have 4 8 counts. I'm going to break it down step by step, nice and slow. We're going to have a lot of fun. Please note that this video is going to be the tutorial only. You're not going to find any music in this video, but I do have a separate video where I will dance this with music, with cueing and without. And it is going to be linked in the video description as well as in this card up here. So go check that out if you want to see what this dance looks like with music or when you're ready to practice it with music. Otherwise, if you're ready to learn the steps, we're going to do that right now. Here we go. Our first 8 count, we're going to take our hands, fingers are together. Left hand's going to be high, right hand's going to be low, and we're just going to slowly bring them in. And you can take this arm down and this one up. You can just hug yourself straight across, whatever you feel comfortable doing. You have 7 counts though, so it's nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're going to go and 8. So you're just going to pull them back apart to wherever they started and then quickly push them back to where you ended. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, try that. 5, 6, hands go in on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's your first 8 count. Ooh. Our second 8 count, you're going to take your hands together and we're going to do little floppity flops. I think that's the technical term. Taps. I'll call them taps. You're going to do 4 taps. We're going to start up at the left here and you're going to go in a diagonal 4 taps down to kind of close to your hip on the right side, but not touching just yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just try that. You take them up and tap 4 times. On 5, now you're going to pull it into that right hip. Then you're going to switch it to the left hip, then back to the right hip. So we're going to do that 3 times. Right, left, right. And if you kind of want to pedal through your feet and your knee, pop your opposite knee there, you can. Pop, pop, pop. So right hip, left knee will pop. Or you can just, do whatever feels good to you and your body. So that's going to be 5, 6, 7. You're going to hold 8. So we have 4 taps, then 3 hips. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Try that. 5, 6, our second 8 count goes 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Fantastic. Putting our first 2 8 counts together. So we're going to nice, slow, melt those arms. Give yourself a nice warm hug. 5, 6, 7, arms across. On a 1, 2, 3, even slower. 5, 6, 7, and 8 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, hips. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Fantastic. You're doing an awesome job. Let's add our third 8 count. So we finished here. We're going to hold the count of 8. No controversy here. Our arms are going to go on and 1. We're going to go up, down. So you're kind of taking them back to where we started our taps and then just pulling it back to the hips, right, nice and fast. And 1. And 1. Up, down. Slice it across. Then on 2, 3, 4, your arms are going to go down. They're going to come up and make your apple up over your head. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I'm hitting this wall. 2, 3, 4. Still hitting it. So on and 1, we're going to go and 1, 2, 3, 4. Just try that. 5, 6, 7, up, down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, we're splitting our apple apart. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 times, you're just pulling it apart, pull it apart, pull it apart, pull it apart as your arms come down. So you're here, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this whole 8 count, you started here. Your arms go up, down on and 1, up, 2, 3, apple, 4, apart, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah, try that. And 1, 5, 6, 7, arms up, and 1. Then 2, 3, 4, apart, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Let's very slowly go back to the top, put our 3 8 counts together. So we're gonna hug ourselves, arms come across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 hips, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, arms go up, down, and 1, up, 2, 3, apple, 4, apart, 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch your mirror ball. I'll count you in this time. Let's do those 3 8 counts together from the top. Hugging yourself. 5, 6, 7, arms push in on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips 5, 6, 7. Hold 8 and 1. Up 2, 3. Apple 4 apart. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. All right, our 4th and final 8 count. We split our apple apart. From here, we're gonna take, I've seen this done a couple different ways, but I watched the choreographer and this is what she said do. But you do you. We're gonna go across on 1, and we're gonna go open on 2, and then we're gonna go scary on 3, 4. What I find is kind of scary. 1, 2, oh no, you're scared. So across, hide your face on 1, open 2, you're scared 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go across, open, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, we just want to drive. So you're going to take your left arm to the front and you're going to drive your car. 5, 6, 7, and on 8, you're going to let your hand fall down and do a little boop, a little leg pop with your left leg. So same arm, same leg. You just want to drive, hit. And you can do, I'm doing 3 circles, but if you want to do a slow circle and a big circle, whatever. However you want to drive your car, that's what you're going to do. It's on 5, 6, 7, and then pop on 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can kind of sit into your legs there if you want. Turn to the right, left arm. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop that arm and pop the leg. And my head is doing this, but I don't know why. Again, so we're gonna go cross, open. We're really scared, so we'll drive, 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 and boop. Just like that. 1, 2, 5, 6. Our 4th 8 count goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Drive 5, 6, 7. Boop. Yeah, try it one more time. 5, 6. Cover your face on 1, 2. You're scared. 3, 4. You drive. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Let's put our 4 8 counts together, our full little dance here, ridiculously slow for our brains. So we're gonna start here on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 hips. 5, 6, 7. Hold 8 and 1. Arms up. 2, 3. Apple 4. Break. 5, 6, 7. Hands in front of your face. 1. Open. 2. You're scared. 3, 4. You drive. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Got the finger guns going today. Let's go a little faster, a little more fluid. I won't stop. From here, from the top, all 4 8 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, arms across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4 taps. 1, 2, 3. Hips. 5, 6, 7. Hold. 8. Up, down, arms up. 2, 3. Apple. 4. Split. 5, 6, 7. Hide your face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drive. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. All right, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna go faster because it's actually much faster with the music. Just remember, if you can do it slow, we gotta start somewhere. So you wanna start slow and you wanna feel really good about doing it slow before you start to speed it up. So if you need to rewind it and go with that slower tempo again, as many times as you need to, then when you're ready, we'll speed it up here. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, here we go. 5, 6, give yourself a nice hug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tap. 2, 3. Now hip. 5, 6, 7. Hold. 8 and 1. Up. 2, 3. Split. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drive. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. You did an amazing job today. Thank you so much for joining me. This was our tutorial. When you're ready to try it with music, it's in a separate video that's linked in the video description and also down in the comments. So go check out that other video. Just click that link when you're ready to practice this with music. Or you can go back and watch any of the steps again. Take as much time as you need to feel comfortable with this dance. At the end of the day, if you're moving, then you're doing it right. I love these social media dance trends because it lowers the barrier of entry and it encourages everyone. No experience required. Just, you never have to have had any dance in your life. Just everyone standing up and dancing and having fun and feeling good about it. It's the coolest thing. So I really appreciate that you stood up and danced with me today. Or maybe you just watched, or maybe you sat down and danced. However you came today, I appreciate it. And I hope that you feel good about it. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, you can hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day. I hope that we'll dance together in a future tutorial. And I hope that you'll be kind to others and kind to yourself. Bye, y'all.